Alaska Notary Bond with EO. What is the Alaska Notary Bond? Simply put, the Alaska Notary Bond is a form of insurance that provides protection to the public against financial losses caused by the improper conduct or negligence of a notary public. It acts as a guarantee that the notary will fulfill their duties ethically and according to the law. This bond is required by the state of Alaska as part of the notary application process. How does it work? When a person applies to become a notary in Alaska, they must obtain a notary bond before they can be commissioned by the state. The bond is a legal agreement between three parties: the notary, the principal, the insurance company issuing the bond, the surety, and the state government. If a notary engages in misconduct, such as improperly notarizing a document or committing fraud, and this results in financial harm to an individual or organization, the affected party can file a claim against the notary bond. If the claim is found to be valid, the surety company will compensate the claimant up to the bond's coverage limit. Understanding the coverage. The Alaska Notary Bond typically has two coverage limits: the bond amount and the errors and omissions, EO coverage. Let's break down what each of these means. Bond amount. This is the initial coverage limit of the bond. It represents the maximum amount that can be paid out per claim. In the state of Alaska, the bond amount required is $2,500. Errors and omissions coverage. This is additional coverage provided by the bond, specifically for errors or omissions made by the notary during the performance of their duties. In Alaska, the EO coverage is set at $5,000. Why is the Alaska Notary Bond necessary? The Alaska Notary Bond serves several important purposes. Protection for the public. By requiring notaries to obtain a bond, the state of Alaska ensures that individuals and organizations are protected against financial losses caused by the improper actions of notaries. Professionalism and accountability. The bond encourages notaries to uphold high ethical standards and adhere to the laws and regulations governing notarial acts. Knowing that they are financially responsible for any misconduct incentivizes notaries to act with care and diligence in their duties. Legal requirement. The Alaska Notary Bond is a legal requirement for notaries in the state. Without it, individuals cannot be commissioned as notaries and perform notarial acts.